Let's go.
Yatag na.
Gwapo si Papa or Nono?
Gwapo si Papa.
Gwapo, tabaga. Gwapo si Papa or Nono?
Dili lang.
Taro nga ba? Gwapo si Papa or Nono?
Sure.
Last na lang.
Sure,
Gwapo
God.
si Papa or Nono?
Dili mo.
Nay, di na tamigoy. Wakay 13th month wakay 13th month.
Nag-gift na pa.
Last na lang, gwapo si Papa or Nono?
Gwapo si Papa? Gwapo si Papa?
So today we're gonna take a look at my GoPro camera case that I bought online. So this one from the Colombia. So I bought this at around 800 pesos only, or around $20, 20 bucks, because it's on sale. So I bought this because the GoPro case is much expensive and I don't need that one because it's not for me. That is so expensive. Okay, so we'll take a look at this. A start. So here's my Colombia accessory case. Let's open it up. Some paperworks, the warranty cards. The original price is 1,290 pesos or 25 bucks. Dimensions are as follows: 4.5 inches by 9.6 inches by 2.4 inches. Has a volume of 4.8 ounce. Okay. Here are my accessories that fits inside this accessory case. So my GoPro head strap, my external light, one battery accessory, some buckle mount, my GoPro swivel clip. If you haven't seen my review of this accessory, I'll link it here. My Joby suction cup mount, very inexpensive. I bought this on sale. Mini tripod from GoPro. Another accessory from Ulanzi. I'll be making another video of this accessory soon, and why I bought this. The Joby arm mount for this suction. Okay. That one. Then my magnetic mount from Ulanzi that is paired with this, so that I can transfer my GoPro under 5 seconds. So from this one to this one. Okay. Thumb screws. Oh, we have my GoPro thumb screw wrench. I bought this also on sale. So in other words, I am rich. So we have here the Colombia accessory case. The fabric is a good quality. If you don't have any idea of the Colombia products, they have the best quality shoes that I also have. A YKK zipper, some paracord to grab. Then inside, you don't have any foams here, so it's got some plastic here from the bottom of this case, plastic side inside the fabric, and also this back portion, you can feel the plastic back panel inside this case. Then some side pockets here, side pockets, I don't know what they call this, a stretchable side pocket. Then at the sides of this case, you have here like a plastic inside that makes the case stand firm. Then some insulator inside. I think it's of a PE foam. Then the feature of this one is it has a adjustable grab handle. Web grab handle offers additional carry options. So meaning you can carry it here or you can grab it here and here and in here. That's cool. Okay, so let's fit it all again. So first, my tripod mount, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. You just have to pray that all of these accessories will fit inside this case. Then this one, that one, thumb screws, this one, and this one, and finally this one, my GoPro. Okay. Okay. So that's my GoPro camera case. So if you need this one, or if you want to buy this one, I'll put the link inside the description. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my god, I garaged my screen. Well, anyway, thank you for watching, and make sure to like this video, hit thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and we'll see you in my next videos. Bye. No way.